Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In the last class we have solved question number 10. Now let us solve next question, dear students. If x is equal to a into cos theta plus log tan theta by 2 and y is equal to a sin theta, show that dy by dx is equal to tan theta and d square y by dx square is equal to sec cube theta divided by a into cot theta, dear students. This is the question, and this question is parametric function, dear students. How to solve? You see, first we have to find dx by d theta, then we have to find dy by d theta, then we will get dy by dx is equal to tan theta. How to show dy by dx is equal to tan theta? You see here. So first you write given given x is what? X is equal to a into cos theta plus log of tan theta by 2, dear students. Very simple question. Now you have to differentiate with respect to theta, dear students. Here parameter is what? Theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. Theta is called as parametric function, dear students. Here it is theta is parameter. So now differentiating with respect to theta means x is different variable, theta is different variable. So that's why it will join with what? Differential operator dx by d theta. When variables are different means x derivative is 1, we know. So this and this with respect to theta you are doing, when this and this both are different, x is different, theta is different, means it will join with what? Differential operator dx by d theta. Now this is looking like how you know constant into function. A is a constant, inside bracket whatever you have written, no, this is called as what? Function, dear students. Constant into function derivative is, constant is written as is. Constant you have to write as is. Derivative of function cos theta derivative is minus sin theta, dear students. Plus this is looking like how log x. You also know, I also know, this is not x, but this is looking like log x. Log x derivative is what? 1 by x. X is what, dear students? Tan theta by 2. You know 1 divided by x you have written, but you also know, I also know, this is not x, no? So this is looking like how? Tan x. Tan x derivative is what? Again this is also not x, but it is looking like tan x. It is not x, theta by 2, but it is looking like x. So now see, tan x derivative is what? Sec x square x, but this is not x, no, theta by 2. See, remember while writing you write theta, but you remember in mind it is x only. Got it? So x by 2 you think this is looking like x by 2 or not? Derivative of x by 2 you know, that is 1 by 2, dear students. Derivative of theta by 2 is 1 by 2. How is? I will write theta by 2 can be shown like this. If I write any problem like this, half into theta is what? Theta by 2 only, constant into function, constant is written as theta, half. Derivative of theta is what? With respect to theta means it is 1 only. So 1 derivative, theta derivative will become 1. 1 into half is what? Half only, dear students. I hope it is clear. So I will erase this one, this is not required. So now see, dx by d theta, a into minus sin theta plus tan theta by 2, how I can write, dear students? Do you remember? In 10th class you have written. So sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2 is nothing but what? Tan theta by 2 or not? Tan theta by 2 I can write it as by what? Sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. So into sec x square theta by 2 I can write it as 1 divided by cos square theta by 2. Will you agree? Sec x square theta by 2 is nothing but 1 by cosec x square cos square theta by 2. Clear? So into how much? Half is there. I will write half as is. Bracket closed. So now see, if you take this sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 reciprocal, cos will come up. Yes or no? Cos theta by 2 divided by sin theta by 2. Again you will cancel with what? Cos theta by 2, cos theta by 2. Instead of taking reciprocal, directly you can cancel here. So 1 cos theta by 2, 1 cos theta by 2 get cancelled. Will you agree? So now what is remaining? You see dx by d theta a into minus sine theta. See, 1 into 1 into 1, 1 only. So see, this 2 I will bring front. See, 2 is here, 2 I will bring front. 2 into, what is remaining? Sine theta by 2. And what is remaining? Cos theta by 2. Will you agree everyone? I hope it is clear. So dx by d theta, we can continue. Dx by d theta a into minus sine theta, I will write as it is 1 divided by. Now try to understand, dear students. Here, many of you will go wrong here. 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Can you remember sine 2 theta? Sine 2 theta is what? 2 sine theta cos theta you will write. Correct? So here 2 theta is there means 2 theta is there means 2 half is how much? 1. 1 theta you have written or not? 1 theta and 1 theta. So here only you can keep 1. If it is here only 1, what will happen here? So 1 half is how much? 1 half is how much? Half or not? So then I can write it as 2 into theta by 2 cos theta by 2. See, theta half is theta by 2, theta by 2 I wrote half. 1 half is half only. So 2 half you have written 1, no? So 1 half is half only. So sine theta, see here, 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 is what? Sine theta or not? So then I can write here sine theta, dear students. I hope it is clear. I will erase this formula. I hope you have already copied this. So now see what will happen. Try to understand, dear students. So now see, dx by d theta a into sine theta into minus sine theta minus sine square theta plus 1 whole divided by, taking LCM I took here, whole divided by sine theta. Sine theta I am taking LCM here. Sine theta into minus sine theta minus sine square theta plus 1 divided by sine theta. Do you remember this one property in 10th? You have learned this also. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1 or not? Will you agree? Agree for this? 1 we will write. This is the identity trigonometry. Now see, cos square theta is equal to 1 plus sine square theta. If I take that side, minus sine square theta it will become. Yes or no? 1 minus sine square theta is what? Cos square theta. Purposely I am writing. Why I am writing this all? I will explain you. 1 minus sine square theta is what? Here see, plus 1. Here plus 1 is that. Minus sine square theta minus sine square theta. You understood why I wrote and why I am showing this formula? Because of this. See, you are watching the video but not liking my channel. Please like my channel and support me. Each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. I hope you will support me. So now see, like the channel, don't forget. So 1 minus sine square is what? 1 minus sine square. See, plus 1 minus sine square theta minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta is what? Cos square theta, dear students. Dx by d theta is what? A into 1 minus sine square is nothing but cos square theta. A into cos square theta is a cos square theta whole divided by sine theta. I hope it is clear for you. So a cos square theta divided by sine theta. I will erase this. This is not required. If you want, you can copy this formula. So now see, dx by d theta, it is clear for everyone. So now let us see y now. Y is what? Y is given. Y is given, and now see, y is given as what? A sine theta it is given. Can you see? A sine theta. Now we can differentiate this also with respect to theta. Differentiate with respect to theta, what we will get? Variables are different or not? Y is different, theta is different. So what you will write? It will join with differential operator dy by d theta. Clear? Huh? And this is looking like how? Constant into function. Constant is written as this. A sine theta derivative is what, dear students? That is cos theta, dear students. I hope it is clear. So dy by d theta is equal to a into cos theta. You got this answer? Then I have to show what? Dy by dx is equal to tan theta. So now see, therefore, dy by dx. I want dy by dx. How we will write dy by dx here? In parametric function dy by d theta whole divided by dx by d theta, dear students. Will you agree or not? You see. So dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. D theta get cancelled means you will get dy by dx or not. So that only form we have written. Why I have written? Because dy by d theta I know the answer. Don't put this value. This is dx by d theta. You will do the same mistake, I know. Some of you, not I am saying all. Don't get angry. So now see. Here I can write like this. What this is? Dy by d theta is what? Dy by d theta is a cos theta whole divided by dx by d theta is what? A cos square theta divided by sin theta, dear students. Clear? So this say get cancelled. One cos theta get cancelled. So what is remaining now? Cos theta by sin theta. Here nothing is there means 1. If you take reciprocal, dy by d theta will become what? Dy by dx will become, so sin theta by cos theta, dear students. This will get reciprocal, it will become sin by cos. Sin by cos is what, dear students? That is tan theta. You can see one I had proved. Dy by dx is equal to what? Tan theta or not? So please copy this. Let us continue with this question now. So this side, both sides if you want you can copy. Continue. I hope you have copied. Let us continue the question. So dy by dx is how much? Tan theta. I had proved this. Maybe you have copied this one. Sorry for inconvenience. Board is not big. So I had written here only. I hope you can understand my problem. So now see. So we will continue here. I have to show. I have not erased the question because you have to understand what I am proving here. D square y by dx square is equal to sec cube theta divided by a cot theta. So now I will differentiate this one with respect to x. So now dy by dx, see, after this you continue here. Differentiate with respect to x. Why sir you are doing with respect to x? Because dy by dx derivative is what? D square y by dx square. I want this only, no? So that's why I am differentiating with respect to x, dear students. I hope it is clear. So now dy by dx will become d square y by dx square, dear students. So what is tan theta? It is looking like tan x. You also know, I also know. It is not x. But in our heart we will keep it as, or in our mind we can keep it as x. But while writing theta we will write. So tan theta derivative is what? Sec x square theta, dear students. Variables are different or not? Here it is what? Theta. Here it is what? X. So now it will join with what? D theta divided by, with respect to x means with respect to x, I have written d theta divided by dx. I hope it is clear. So now see, try to understand, dear students, how beautifully we can write C. So sec square theta, sec x square theta, d theta by dx I can write like this. Into or this is, don't get confused. 1 divided by, I can write like this, dx by d theta. Will you agree? If you take reciprocal, no, this one now, dx by d theta, it will become what? D theta by dx. Yes or no? Same thing, only I am writing in this form. Clear? 1 divided by dx by d theta is nothing but d theta by dx only. Don't get confused. If you reciprocal, d theta into 1 is d theta by dx. Clear? So now see. This is one of the different question, lollipop question you can say in maths. Sec x square theta, sec x square theta into 1 by dx by d theta is what? Can you see here? Dx by d theta. We have got this answer or not? I will substitute that value here. Dx by d theta is what? A cos square theta whole divided by sin theta, dear students. I hope it is clear. So now if you take a reciprocal, what will happen, you see? Otherwise you can keep it as is also, doesn't matter. Sec x square into 1 is, let it be, you can keep like that only, 1 1 divided by what? How many cos are there here? Cos square theta it is. 2 cos are there or not? Will you agree? Are you seeing everyone? So please like once again reminding my channel. So cos square theta, 2 cos are there. So I can write like this, a into cos theta whole divided by sin theta. Clear? Everyone will agree cos theta into cos theta is what? Cos square theta only. Yes? So now try to understand. What I will do, try to understand everyone. Here I will write, otherwise we will write here only d square y by dx square is equal to sec x square theta into, now see, 1 divided by cos theta. Here 1 cos is there. 1 by cos is what? Sec theta. I can write sec theta here whole divided by, a is there, a I will write. Will you agree? So what is remaining? 1 by cos theta. A is there, a I have written up. 1 by cos is sec theta. So what is remaining now? Cos theta by sin theta. Cos by sin. In 10th standard you have learned. Cos by sin is what? Cot theta or not? Will you agree everyone? Yes? Sec x square into sec theta. What you will get? Sec x square into sec theta. Sec x square theta into sec theta. Sec cube theta whole divided by, what is that? A into cot theta. So I hope it is clear. Hence proved. Can you see? D square y by dx square is what? Is equal to sec cube theta whole divided by what? A cot theta. I hope you are understanding the video. So if you are liking the video, please like and subscribe my channel. So I will erase this. Already you have written. That's why, which is not required. So already you have written this one. So you understood, I feel it is clear for everyone. So if you are understanding, please like and subscribe my channel. I request you, and please support me. We'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. 5 marks differentiation all I had done. I tried my level best to understand you. In this one will come in the final, dear students. Fine? Thank you. Please copy this one. We'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you.